Hi everyone, Rene here with WhyAmIGreen.com, and today I got a comment from someone asking how do I separate the small seedlings to be able to plant into larger containers. And it's funny, I just got that comment probably about an hour ago, and that's exactly what I was planning on doing today. So here's a video showing how I'm going to do it, because that's what needs to be done. So here we go. Now what I have here, these are my San Marisano tomatoes, and these were planted on, let's see, 3/29, so April 29th, and you can see they're pretty big, and I've got several pots of them, and I want to get them out of there, and I want to get them into my specialty Dunkin' Donuts styrofoam cups. Now this is a special collection. I've got like a year's worth in the house. So all I do is take the cup, make a bunch of holes in the bottom, and I'm going to fill it up, put a little bit of dirt in the bottom. Now the interesting thing about tomatoes, just so you know, is that they have these filaments. Can you see if I get real close? They have these filaments going all the way up and down the stem, okay? And basically, it's kind of like little hairs, but what they are is they're small roots. So I can actually take this one, which is kind of leggy, and clip these. These are the initial leaves. Clip those off, and I can plant it right up to here, which is going to give it a lot more strength. So what I'm going to do first is, hopefully you can see all this. I'm going to take them right out of here. Get rid of this for now, and as you can see, all the roots, they're getting pretty root bound. So all I'm going to do is try to separate it a bit by just kind of rolling it around in my hands. You want to be really careful to not hurt the roots. And I'm letting the soil drop. I have a bucket right below me. And as you separate them, here's two of them I got right here. Kind of set them aside. And I'm trying to do that, as you can see, oh, here's a dead one. Oh, no, that's just a baby. And trying to just move it around without destroying it. Can you see what's happening here? Do I have to get a little closer maybe? There we go. So I'm just moving it around a little bit. Shake it a little bit if you want. Some people actually put it in water. See, here's another one that just came off. The hardest part is untangling the leaves. They tend to cling. And see how they're all kind of separating down there, just little by little. Now I'm going to get back to these here in a minute, because I've got several I want to work on. I'm going to put the others in the bucket. Let's see. So now that I've got a couple here, what I'm going to do is, I put it about how deep I want it to go. Okay, you can see it in here. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it right about here, and I'm going to fill it up right to about where my thumb is with dirt, just by going like this. Let's see. And just where the root can have the freedom of going where it wants to lie. Here, I'm hurting that one. And you can't see down there, but I am making quite a mess because I want this to be able to be seen on the camera. I'm going to try to get back over my bucket again. A little bit. There we go. And then I just kind of move it around. Pack it down a little bit, give it some more soil. So that's going to give it a lot more strength. There we go. And there you have it. I just did one there. I'll do one more, just so you can see. Let's see, I'll take this one right here. And this one has a leaf down there. I'm just taking that leaf off. But see, even though it's all leggy and twisted around, it'll be fine as soon as I get some soil in there. So I'm going to bring it down here to put the soil in a little bit heavier, quicker. There we go. And I just kind of work it in. If you can see what I'm doing, I'm working it in around very lightly. And I pat it down. I'm trying to get the root of the plant as much in the middle as possible. Why? It's more aesthetically pleasing. And there we go. So I have two done. And that's pretty much how you do it. So there's one and there's two. So we went from these really tall, wiry plants to ones that are going to be able to get a lot stronger. So it looks like I've got about, maybe 20 or 30 of them to do. These are the San Marisano. They're kind of like a Roma. They're basically looks like they're skinny vining tomato sauce type tomato. And this year I'm trying those instead of Romas because I heard they're supposed to be very good tomato. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that helps you to understand how to take them out as seedlings and put them in bigger cups, and I'll be doing that again probably, maybe in another few weeks because they tend to grow fast, and put them in bigger ones. Hopefully by then it'll be warm enough outside here. I mean, it looks nice, it looks beautiful, but last night water I had in the buckets out here froze. We got like a 1/4 inch of ice just overnight, so it's still too cold to bring my plants out. I'm hoping in a couple of weeks we'll be able to do it. So with that, you all have a great growing season. Be safe, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.